Hey everyone, I got some shadow lights for my dad's Tesla during Father's Day and I want to show you guys how we installed them. It came out so well, so let's get to it. So I want to start off by saying this is a great gift idea for anyone during this holiday season. I was really glad that he loved it.
Inside the box comes all the light packets.
So 4 come in the pack.
Screwdriver.
This is a Tesla Model 3, but this is compatible with Model 3, Y, S, and X. Please note that it only fits for the front door of the Model X. If you're replacing door lights in your Model 3 or Y, roll the windows all the way down first. Pry out the original door light with the tool.
Just pressing down this piece here, and that releases the clip. So actually you can plug it in and test it. So we're going to plug this in, and that's the right one. You see how it pops out there? And that's how it should be, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. One on the right hand side was the one for the right. I don't know if it's going to be that way for each one of them. And then the only thing you got to do is put this back in here.
I love it. It looks so good, you guys. So this is a shot of it. It also comes in white, but I got the red because my dad is a Kappa. So this was perfect for him. And now I'm just showing you guys, he installed the back door so you guys can see it one more time. Of course, I'll make sure I link all of the information below in the description box. And I'll also include some links to other car logos as well. That's a wrap for the second door. Look at how it looks in the dark. Like, this looks so good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video.